Hi everyone, welcome to the supervised machine learning component of the course. This is the biggest component of the course. In this component, we have 19 sections. Let's see what we are going to learn in this biggest component of the course. So these are the 19 sections which we are going to learn in this component. These 8 sections belongs to classical machine learning and these 11 sections belongs to deep learning. Basically, in this course, we are going to learn deep learning mostly in the supervised fashion. Therefore, I have included deep learning in the supervised machine learning component of the course. So these 8 sections from regression analysis to boosting methods in machine learning belong to classical machine learning. And these 11 sections from the introduction to the autoencoders belongs to deep learning. So student, in this course, now we are going to study next 19 sections which belongs to supervised machine learning. So I hope you will learn a lot from this component of the course. Thanks for listening this lecture and I will see you in the supervised machine learning component of the course.